Today's Sunday. I'm really geeked. I usually don't do my hair on Sundays, but I am basing my fear. I'm literally shaking. Stop. I am getting a pedicure by myself. That's a big deal as someone with social anxiety. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair before I go. I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. This is a spray leave-in. I fuck with spray leave-ins, bro. It's supposed to hydrate, recondition, and strengthen and smooth. I love Shea Moisture. It gives me a lot of shrinkage sometimes, and y'all know I'm not a big fan of shrinkage, but hopefully this one doesn't give me as much shrinkage as the pink line does. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb it through. I'm gonna be using the Green Eco Styler gel because it actually has become my favorite gel, because the yellow one just doesn't do it for me anymore, and I hate to say that because the yellow one used to be my favorite. So I'm gonna be putting this on top of the leave-in. Using a spray is so weird because it's like, is it in there? Is it not? We'll see. This is the piece with the leave-in and the gel-in. I'm gonna braid it up all around my head. I'm only speeding this up because my battery, I literally have no battery. No, Brenna. So I'm gonna charge my camera and I'll get back to you. My camera's kind of charged. Almost all my braids are in. Oh my gosh. So I left one piece so you guys can see what I've been doing. I used like this much, if you can see that. I don't know if that's a lot or not. I'll let y'all decide. After I spray it, I'm going with the gel. And when I say braid it up, just literally watch any of my videos. Look, the braids are coming loose. I think maybe there's gonna be some shrinkage. Look on any of my videos, I always braid up my hair after I put in the gel just because it clumps the curls and it reduces shrinkage. And after I get all of my braids in, I don't even leave the braids in. I literally just take it out right away. It turns out great. I don't know about this product. I think it really did well with smoothing out my hair and hydrating. Like, it feels softer. Alright, here's my hair. I'm gonna get back to you when my hair is completely dry. Hello. My hair is 100% dry. It's been like 6 hours. Let's talk about the Shea Moisture Multi-Action Leave-In. It says hydrate, recondition, and strengthen hair. It's also supposed to smooth your hair. So as for hydration, I feel like recondition, strengthen probably, and smooth, yes. So that's like 2 out of 4. Honestly, I thought there was gonna be a shrinkage problem. There was no shrinkage problem. I thought there was gonna be no gel cast, and there is a gel cast. So go gel cast. I love gel cast. I don't know about you guys. I live in Florida. I have very frizz-prone hair. And I like to feel that gel cast there to make sure that, you know, my hair is still holding up. My biggest issue with this leave-in is that the curls are not consistent all the way around. There's some looser parts in areas and some tighter parts in areas. I know it's not just my hair because with other leave-ins, it doesn't do this. Also, in some layers of my hair, there'll be like no gel cast at all, and it'll be like super crunchy in other areas. But it wasn't terrible, and it's definitely better than a lot of the products that I've been trying on my channel recently. I'm gonna have to give it like a solid 7 out of 10. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.